With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, fundamental frequency of pipe is 100 Hz. Other two frequency are 300 and 500 Hz. Then you have to check out of ABCD what are the correct option. So if you see, these are the odd multiple, right, of the fundamental frequency. So if you see, when the both end will be open and or both will be closed, then what will happen? The multiple of lambda by 2 will form. Let's suppose n multiple of lambda by 2 will form, right? So what you will get, the lambda, it will be 2l by n. So if you see from here, you will get the frequency, it will be equals to nv by 2l, right? So it is this. Now if you see, when one end will be open and other end will be closed, then what will happen? If you see here, this end, at this end, let's say this is the closed and this is the open one. So here always this antinode will form, and if you see here, it will be always a node. So if you see here, in the fundamental mode, only this lambda by 4 will form and this is lambda by 2, and lambda by 2 will get added, right? In between the two end, the loop can only increase. In the first fundamental mode, lambda by 4 will form, then if you see, it is lambda by 4 plus lambda by 2, then in the next it will be lambda by 4 plus lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2, right? So if you see, it is basically 2 times of lambda by 4, it will get added, right? So it is 3 lambda by 4, then it will be 2 lambda by 4 will be again added. So in this way the wavelength will be, if your length will be there. Now we can just generalize this. It is, so you can just see that here the frequency will be in, it is equals to, since if you see, the wavelength is 4l by 2n minus 1, right? So you can just put the value in the same way as we have put in the earlier case, and you will get this. So it is 2n minus 1 v by 4l, right? So it is 100, 300, 500. So it is possible, right? It will be in this way 700 if this v by 4l will be equals to 100, then it is possible. So one end is open and other end is closed. C is the correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.